Well, good morning and welcome back. It's a travel day for the Poshcats, and we're heading west today. We're going to take the easy route down the A12 along the M25 and up the M40, and we're going to end up in Bladon Chains, which is a caravan and motorhome club site. Bertie and Ethel are all hitched up. We're going to go caravanning with our motorhome yet again, because we know that there's some places along this tour that we're going to need the car if we want to go and visit some of the lanes and some of the little places along the way. So we're going to take, we think it's worth it just about. We're also meeting some people that we know and some YouTubers that we don't. So that should be fun. We'll start the journey and we'll see you along the way in just a few minutes. We've made it to Bladon Chains, the caravan and motorhome club site. It was quite a straightforward drive. We did come via the main roads, as I said, and just one or two little hold-ups on the M25 as usual, but other than that, perfect. And we're here. The sun is trying to break through as we speak, and although we've had quite a showery week, we're hoping that the weather's going to turn for us at the weekend. And it's a beautiful site, Bladon Chains, caravan and motorhome club site. It's quite busy. There's only a few pictures that are empty, and there's a few that have been roped off because it's been quite wet and the ground is quite soft. So we were helped by the wardens to pick a pitch which would suit us. We're quite a long unit, and we've also parked Ethel in the car park to keep her off the grass so we don't cause any more damage. I'll wander around the site and I'll show you what's here. It's very, very nice. And here's reception where you can check in and all the information you need about what's going on in the area. There's a small facilities block, which at the moment there are restrictions, so the showers are not working at the moment, and understand that there is a boiler problem, and it's unlikely the showers will be open through this season, and the site is due to close for good, unfortunately, on September the 6th. All the usual facilities points here, water and waste. It really is quite a quiet field with lots of trees. we've just found another little dog walk area, but we're aware that there are some bunnies in here. So and it does say you can let your dog off lead, but we'll see how we get on. And the bunnies are going, look, they're over the back of the field there.
As long as they get away.
They live in those burrows at the end of the field, I can see. Yeah. So we're going to let the dogs have a little run. Sue is chasing Sophie because there are there are rabbits in burrows at the back there, and Sophie is going to do her best to go out there and grab them. Oscar's not too bothered, he's more interested in sniffing. He'll sniff anything, but he won't chase a rabbit, he's far too slow. I'm still chuckling at the rabbits. They're just the other side of this fence here, and Sophie is doing her utmost to try and get through the through the fence. So much for that. Never mind, we're enjoying it. There's some lovely pictures down this end here. You just hear the noise from the road up this end of the site, and wardens did warn us that these pictures here are a little bit moist at the moment, and they've actually pegged them off to stop people coming on the grass. So it's quite easy to get stuck. But we're at the far end of the site here. Again, another service point. Now at the facilities block here, we've got social distancing still going on, but there's a dishwashing area and the middle sink's not in use. Recycling bins and general waste, and there's a disabled loo at this end. And then Sue's found a little something, haven't you, Sue?
Yeah, the family washing out over here, look.
What's happening?
The family washing out, look.
Oh yeah. So that must be the laundry room then. Yeah, you've got your shovel for the snow just there, look. And your grit box. This site is open all year round. And then your general water and wastewater. And then toilets are at the end here. Yeah. But it's a beautiful site, and the thing we like about it is the fields opposite, with all the buttercups that have come out. Very pretty. And then we're back to reception again. And here's at Lethal, parked in the car park. We've left her here just because the grass is very soft, and we didn't want to do any more damage than necessary. Now, one thing I noticed, and it's very common, oh, by the way, over here is the motorhome service point, just as you come in. So you've got water and waste emptying just here, and information hut. And the thing that we noticed, we're very lucky because today is Wednesday. That'd be rude not to, wouldn't it? As you can see, this side of the site, very similar to the other side. Lovely trees. That's the thing we like about Bladon chains.
They're joy ribbons. You have to buy them from reception.
Yeah.
And it's donated to Macmillan or Marie Curie.
Yeah.
And you get a green or yellow ribbon and tie it to the arch to remember a special person who
Alright.
brought to your life. What a lovely
Well,
idea.
I think we've got to do that.
And this is the biodiversity area, look. They've got a little place there for the insects.
And here are the ribbons. What a lovely idea. In these difficult times, it's good to remember people you've lost. Oi.
There's a little hedgehog cage over there. Hedgehog cage, do you think? The insect spot.
Could be.
And rotten logs with stag beetles.
Yeah. Yeah, put him next door to Mum. There you go. That's my mum and your dad.
Make sure you don't blow away.
There you go.
Bladon, little weird.
Oh, you make me laugh, Sue. You have to be of a certain age to get that joke. Slobberdob. Little weed. Let's come back and have another little look at this middle section here. And then just remind you that the site is closing on September the 6th, so get online if you want to come along. You may well find that there's one or two little gaps, but I know it's pretty popular, so you may find it difficult to get a space now, but shame it's going, but we've really enjoyed our stay at Bladon Chains. So till next time, and our next site, we're going west, don't forget. We'll see you there. Bye then.